Let's talk about Azure AI Vision multimodal models and how they can help us understand images better. First, let's take a look at how keyword search works. Keyword search is the most basic way to find information. The search engine looks for an exact match between the words you type and the labels or tags attached to the images. If an image has a tag that matches your search, it appears in the results. But there is a problem. Keywords depend on how well users choose their words. If the tags are missing or the search words don't match exactly, you may not find what you're looking for. Now let's talk about embedding, which is a smarter way to search for images. Embedding is a process that turns images into a number, specifically vectors. These vectors captures the details of an image like its shape, color, objects, instead of relying on the exact words. Embedding let us search for images based on their actual content. This is where vector search comes in. Unlike keyword search, vector search looks for semantic similarities, meaning it understands the context and meaning behind the image. And instead of searching for exact words, vector search compares high dimensional vectors to find images that are more similar to your search query. This method is faster and more accurate because it doesn't just rely on labels, it looks at the actual features of the image. Now let's talk about the Florence model. This is a powerful AI model used in Azure AI Vision for Image Analysis 4.0. Florence is a multimodal model, which means it understands both images and text. It was trained using huge amounts of captioned images, so it learns how pictures and words connect. Florence is also a foundational model, meaning it's general AI model that can be customized for different tasks. For example, you can use Florence to build AI models that can classify images, like figuring out what type of image it is, detect objects, like finding specific things inside an image, or generate captions, like creating descriptions for images, and finally tag images, such as keywords related to the image. So with Azure AI Vision and Florence model, businesses can build powerful AI-driven image solutions. Whether it's searching for images, detecting objects, or generating descriptions, this technology is shaping the future of AI-powered vision.